Good morning! Good morning, Kuya!
Good morning.
So, kakagising lang namin. It's 10 a.m. Ang plano namin is gumising ng 7 a.m. So, late lang kami na kaunti. Pero ngayon, plano na pumunta sa floating market. Hindi na kami kumuha ng tour kasi pagkukuha pa kami ng tour, so syempre medyo mabilisan yung lakad kasi nga maghihintayin kayo and everything. So, didiretso kami, titingnan namin ni Kuya Rene kung kakayanan namin na. Pero feeling ko kaya, lang naman eh. Malalapit lang. So, punta kami doon, maliligo na kami. So, let's go! At puro kain kami dito. No.
Sarap.
Ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Oo, ang papaya salad. Sarap ng mga pagkain. So, grabe. At dito, tingnan nyo naman. Ito yung CR namin. So, ito na ilaw namin. Ano nyo yun? Ang cool. Okay, see you guys. Bye.
So guys, tapos na kami dun sa hotel na yon and we're going to move doon sa medyo social na hotel. So, medyo wala ako energy today. I don't know, maybe dahil hindi ako nakatulog or hindi ko alam. So, let's go. Tingnan natin kung okay siya kasi parang nasa 1,000 dirham siya doon. At dito is yung mga hostel is nasa ano lang siya. Oh, okay din dito. Gusto mo? Magtanong tayo. At check natin muna dito. Okay, let's go. Ano nangyari? Oh, meron siyang ano.
Alupihan.
Parang gano'n. So guys, bago kami pumunta sa hotel, stopover muna kami dito ni Kuya Ron. Ikakain na. So, yeah. So, ang cool ng place nila. At ikaw para ka lang sa Singapore dito. Okay. Yeah, the food is ready. So guys, we're gonna eat now. So medyo mukhang mapakasarap ng pagkain. And then yung picture nila yun, todo effort. Sawadika. Hello. Sawadika. Guys, sapunta na kami ngayon dun sa Amata Resort. So malapit siya sa airport. And ayun, naka-grab kami ngayon. So mas okay talaga yung grab dito kasi exact amount lang yung babayad mo, hindi ko katulad doon sa taxi, mas mahal saka sa tuk-tuk. So let's go. So guys, nandito na kami sa aming hotel. So isa siya sa mga mahal na hotel dito and medyo nakakatakot siya. Look, kakaiba dito. So sana maganda yung loob niya. So look at that. Medyo makaluma and papasok tayo dito sa loob. Ito yata yung kanilang entrance. So ayan guys, I think puro artwork or paintings. So dito nga papasok. Okay, sabi ka sa loob. Hi, sabi ka. So kakaiba siya. Is there any ghost? Is there a ghost inside? No ghost? Thank you. So, napaka-kakaiba ng hotel na ito. It's just like sobrang makaluma. Look.
This one, Panda piece.
Penta piece. Here you go. Here's your passport. Yeah. Yeah, so the good thing here is they have free massage daw for 10 minutes. So, sige. Am I gonna sit here like this? Okay.
Yeah.
So they have a free massage. Sawadika. Mashallah, kakaiba tong hotel na ito. Itong hotel na ito. I want male massage. No?
If you want, I have massage room inside. If you want full body, you can book for reception.
Good.
Yeah.
Handsome? Handsome? Oh. I want massage handsome. Handsome good?
Good.
Big?
Big.
Why you're laughing? Not big? Big? Which one big?
Handsome.
Handsome? With abs?
Six pack.
Ah, 6 packs. Ah, you are.
You want 5 pack?
I-
6 pack.
I want 6 pack.
Okay, good.
Good.
You beautiful.
Ah, beautiful. Where can we go here?
You?
Is there any tourist spot nearby?
Mm-hmm.
Tourist spot? There is nearby?
Mm-hmm.
Where? Where can I go? Very hard. Oh my God.
You want handsome?
I want handsome.
Really?
We are in Bangkok. Bangkok. All
Tonight you go
where?
inside Bangkok.
Inside Bangkok. Where?
Nana.
Nana, where's Nana?
Yeah, Nana.
Near?
Yeah.
How many minutes?
If you go taxi, no, traffic go 1 hour, right?
1 hour, Nana.
Yeah. And you go
I want to go
airport link.
airport link. Okay.
So
Okay.
10 minutes.
How about ping pong?
You want ping pong?
Yeah, I want ping pong as well.
Inside Bangkok, no?
Inside Bangkok.
Yeah.
We are not in Bangkok.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Nana, too much.
Nana, too much. So we need to go back there in Khao-san.
Khao San, yeah.
Oh, we're in Khao-san yesterday earlier. We can.
Khao San only handsome.
Khao-san only handsome.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Here very far.
Far. This one outside Bangkok.
Outside Bangkok, what can we do outside Bangkok?
If you want, you go, no? Go today, no?
Where? How about floating market? Floating market far from here?
market เหรอ
Floating market far?
market การ market อยู่ไกลนะแต่แถวเนี้ย
Floating market. Boat market far from here?
ไกลมากไกล
2 hours, oh my God. Where is there any tourist spot nearby?
if you buy you go 7-Eleven
No. Not 7-Eleven. Nearby. Is there any close? Is there any tourist spot nearby? Not 7-Eleven. Nearby.
I understand you buy
Yeah, you understand buy at 7-Eleven.
Yes.
Nearby.
Yeah.
Is there any tourist spot? Tourist spot we can go. Is there any tourist spot? I mean beautiful places.
If you would like to go, I think have a car and driver.
Oh, how much? Yeah. Okay, check because we want to go to floating market. Yeah, we want to go to train market, to elephant. Is there any elephant? Elephant. Yeah,
อยุธยา
because this one big elephant. You.
not yet
Big elephant. Okay, just kidding.
for me pink set
Pink set. What's pink set? What is pink set?
set
Princess. Princess.
Yes.
You princess.
not elephant
Not elephant. I thought elephant. Is there any elephant? Oh, you have elephant
you
here?
go อยุธยา
Near? How many hours?
เพราะว่า 2 hours
Two. Oh my
อยุธยา
God.
you know อยุธยา have วัดที่เรียกว่าอะไรวะtemple
Temple.
Yeah.
With elephant.
yes you are you want to put me
Just kidding.
70 baht 1 hour
70 baht 1 hour. Oh my God, you're killing me.
I'm joking
No, that's okay. Thank you.
you happy
Yeah, I'm happy like you happy.
Yes, thank you sir
Yeah, but don't kill me.
no
Oh, nice.
How many days you come Thailand?
Thailand, 1 week.
Ooh, 1 week. Oh my God.
Tomorrow, Friday, we go back to Dubai.
Oh, Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai. Say hi, Dubai. Yeah. This place is...
Dubai, Abu Dhabi, right?
Yeah, Abu Dhabi, you're right.
Abu Dhabi
UAE. Is this...
Abu Dhabi.
Is this place is good? Because quite scary, no? Scary? There's ghosts?
Don't have the go.
No ghosts? No ghosts?
Do not cry, nah. I make like that.
Yeah, but there's no ghosts here?
เนี่ย 11 เนี่ย fighting อยู่อ่ะ Thank you ค่ะ
Thank you so much. Kapon ka. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Student pala yung breakfast natin.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Nine very good.
9, but 9?
Street.
9?
พัทยานะพัทยา
Pattaya, very handsome. Many? Ah, okay.
There's also dinner here, nearby,
dinner.
the restaurant.
Sadika.
Sadika,
If you
okay.
practice smoking, can smoking outside your room and close the door.
Okay, thank you so
Yes.
much. Sadika, Sadika, Sadika. So this one you're gonna bring us? Okay. So meron pa silang nakalimutan ko tawag, di buggy para dalhin tayo doon sa ating hotel. Is it gonna be far? Is it far?
Far?
Far? Far? Far? Oh, okay. So we're here at Amatalanta. So kakaiba siya. Ayan. Is there any ghost? Ooh, there is ghost here? No ghost? Oh, no ghost.
Restaurant.
Yeah, restaurant.
Breakfast tomorrow morning.
Yeah, past 7.
Past 7, okay.
United.
So look at this.
May swimming pool.
Ah, there's a pool. There's a monster in the pool? No? Nakakatakot siya. Medyo ano lang siya, kakaiba lang. So here you go.
Galing.
Medyo mahilig
Bila tayo, nakabid.
Nakabilang nga. Bila yung nabook ko eh. Bila yung nakalagay tayo. So ano nakikita ko dito puro sila paintings kahit sa labas. Look at the paintings. You know, paintings everywhere.
Kapon ka.
So ayan, paintings. Paintings. Which number? This one?
Yes.
Oh my God! So we're here na. So tinawa kita. Umikot lang kami na kaunti. And we're gonna open it. Wow! May ganito pa sila. So look at that! Pag natulog kami, cone. So may TV siya. At talagang kala ko. At ito. Oh my God, look at the toilet. It's very big. Parang isang buong room na ang toilet. And then you can also go upstairs. May kakaiba tong room namin ngayon. Oh. Bongga. So, ito may toilet at meron tayong balcony. Hindi naman tayo tapos. Ito ang kanilang balcony and it's upstairs. Yeah. Look at this. So big. And yung makikita mo dyan sa likod is mga crops. Look at that. Ay, meron pala ditong boat. I think we can ride the boat there. Look at that. There's a horse. See? Ay! Nakamalaglag dito. Ay, may kami. So, ito siya. Kakaiba ang aming room. So, look at this. Ah, that's the airport. Ayun na palang airport. Kaya sabi niya 15 minutes. So, let's go inside. So, now I know kaya pala siya mahal. Medyo maganda naman. Dito. Oh, and here's our bed. And what is this? Ah, yung palabas. Dito pala yun. Kita ko pala paintings everywhere. Oh, may palabas pala dito. So, sige, nautot na ako. Ano na ako. Kasi CR naman na ako. Baba ko muna akong daan. Let's go. Let's go muna to. Kasi dapat ako maamoy ni Kuya Ron. At may buko sila dito. Tada! So let's go. Parang dito lang sa hotel, pwede na kami. Kahit hindi na lumabas muna ng ano kasi magpapayang kami. At travel later. Okay, bye. So guys, for today's video, pupunta naman kami sa Pattaya. At eto, social dito sa amin dahil lagi kami mayroong baggy. So, let's go? Yeah, where are we going? Yeah, so we're going to Pattaya. So meron kami ni rent na sasakyan para i-rent. Okay, so bye. So here's our car. Naka Toyota Fortuner kami. Sige kuya, sakay ka na dyan. Ay sige, ako na dito. Hi, parang gusto ko sa harap. Sige. Sadi ka.
The driver is professional for tourists in the Pattaya.
Uh-huh.
You can tell him where would you like to go, where would you like to do.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy. Thank you, thank you. Hello, how are you? Sawadee ka. So, where are we going today? We're going to
Pattaya.
Pattaya. Do you know some of the tourists in Pattaya?
Go and back.
Yeah, do you know tourist spot in Pattaya? Bring us to a good place in Pattaya, okay? Yeah! So guys, eto. So medyo sulit naman yata yung 3,000. So it's like $100. Papunta doon kung saan man. So 10 hours namin siyang gagamitin. Ay! Gagamitin. Let's go. Yeah, we want to go to the sea. We want to see the elephant. We wanna go to the walking street. There is Pattaya. Good. How many hours?
First time you go elephant riding.
Elephant riding. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Elephant Pattaya. Discount when you buy. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Elephant Safari dito sa Pattaya. So, meron din sila mga ano, may mga tiger, may lion, tiger. Pwede magka-photos, nakakatakot lang. Okay, so we're going to buy tickets. Oh, may snake. We want an elephant. Yeah. We want to ride elephant.
Shooting bullets.
So guys, so elephant riding kasama dun sa ano daw sa tubig is 1,200 baht. So 1 hour. 1 hour, right?
1 hour.
Okay. Say Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka.
Where are you from? You're not.
I'm from Myanmar.
Yeah, I told you are not Thai. But good. Okay, let's go. Oh, they also have fishes here, brother. Good, huh? Not scary. Oh, there's a snake. No, I'm scared of snake. No, it's scary. No, I'm a snake. Hello. Oh, cobra, very scary. Do we need to buy banana? Feeding elephant? Oh, 100 daw.
Ano, G?
We want to eat as well. We can eat.
Okay.
Oh, we can eat the word elephant. Oh.
Big elephant, small.
Yeah, it's small elephant only. Yeah. Sige, isa lang. We want to taste, ha? Good, ha? We eat, ha? Okay, wait. We will give the elephant. Come here. Come here. You're the elephant. Tikman nga natin. Oy! Nice. Sure, we can eat this, brother? Wow. So, practice sa pagkain ng elephant. Ako muna. Oh my God, I can see the elephant. 1-1, single.
Hindi, dalawa.
2, double. How are you? Sawadee ka. Elephant, very scary. Good? Me elephant eating. I have the elephant for now. So guys, disclaimer lang, papakainin po namin yung elephant. Yes, sasakay kami kasi dati nung first time ko sumakay sa elephant. So may mga nagko-condemn. Wow! Kasi parang ano daw siya. So parang pinahihirapan daw yung mga elephant. Pero kasi dito sa Thailand, it's their one of their tourist attraction din dito yun. Saka talagang, I think ang elephant noon is talagang kwan siya. Sinasakay naman talaga siya nung araw. Pero syempre, tayong mga tao is nagiging sensitive na tayo sa mga ganitong bagay, sa mga hayop-hayop. And now, yun. So, basta po kami, tutulong lang din po kami, nagbayad po kami dito. And here you go! Look at them. Nakakot. We will ride here? This one? Small one? So, nandito kami sa taas and sasakay kami dito. Oh my God, it's scary.
Scary.
Oh, hello, elephant. Elephant, take.
Okay,
This
go now,
is...
go now, wait.
Ay, katakot.
Go now, go now.
Go now. Can you take a video first going here? Ay,
Now,
okay.
now.
I will go now. Okay, just like that and then give me.
Stay here.
Stay here?
Yeah.
Oh my
Tapang
God.
naman ni ate.
That's okay?
Yes, okay. Move.
Move, but scary. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Maybe I am.
Hello?
Yeah, okay. Guys, medyo nakakatakot. Baka mamaya gutom siya. Oy! Scary.
Later. Oh.
It's okay? Oh, napakadami dito guys. Elephant.
Oh.
We're riding an elephant now guys. But medyo nakakatakot siya. Ganito pala yung pag-ride ng elephant dito. Oh, see. Oh my God. Sa totoo pala, nakakaawa yung elepante. Can we give him food? Now? Later? Later? Okay, so hindi pala pwedeng bigyan ng pagkain habang nakasakay dito sa elephant. Okay? So here's the elephant. There's something elephant. Kawawa naman pala yung elephant. Sige guys, aawayin natin sila kasi ginaganto nila yung elephant. Kasi akala ko nakakatawa, hindi pala siya nakakatawa. So dapat talaga naawa tayo sa mga hayop kasi dahil nakasakay na kami, wala na kami magawa. Saka nagbayad na rin kasi kami. Kailangan bumababa tayo. Ano? Hindi pero huwag po kayo magagalit, ako namin lang to. Hindi ko lang talaga alam. Pero
It's a form of transportation.
kaya nga, pero nakakaano na. Kabagay, bakit sila hindi naawa sa kabayo? Na? Sa ibang pupunta kami guys doon sa sa
Kinakain
water. No? Ano?
Kinakain din kayo yung Ano ba yung kaba?
Ay, oo, hawak daw. Hawak daw.
Yeah.
Hawak siya. Hawak siya, baka...
Naka-video ka pa rin ba?
Oo, naka-video to. Nakakatakot. Oy! We can do it! We can do it! Hooray! Oh my God, it is scary. Nakakatakot pala siya. Dapat ito. Hawak sa likod. It's okay, sister? All good?
All good.
Baka bigla siyang pumunta dyan.
Nakapag-charge ka ba?
Nakakatakot to na. Oo, meron pa akong battery dalawa. So nakakatakot yung daanan namin. Oh.
Gusto ko umahawak na isa.
Ay, ako po, bababa dyan? Aray. Takot siya. Hindi, ayokong tapakan yung elephant dito. Pero feeling ko hindi kami balance kasi mabigat ako eh. Tapos si Kuya magaan. So, syempre nangangawit yung elepante sa kabilang side.
Ayun na, may picture. At piling ko.
Okay ka.
Bili tayo.
Hello, Sawadika!
Hello!
Hindi pala siya ano.
Kapon ka!
Hindi. magpo-photo pa sila doon, tapos mamaya babayaran mo naman. Alam mo naman yun, tinan mo ayun na para silang mga, ayun. Hello. O mamaya, sisingilin tayo mahal niyan. So titingnan lang natin tapos di natin kukuhan. Alam mo naman. Kawawa naman. Parang liit pa nitong elephant, no?
How old is
The elephant.
55 years old.
55 years old? Oh my God.
what's the name of this elephant?
My name is Nam Mười.
Yeah.
Not your name. Elephant name. What's the name of the elephant?
Nam Mười.
Namoy.
And your name?
My name is Piu.
Pew. I thought your name is Namay, so it's the elephant.
Namoy.
Say hi. Hi.
Wow.
Elephant riding. So, ito po si Kuya Ronnie po talaga may gusto nito. So, tinupad ko lang po yung gusto niya at yung kanyang pangarap na sumakay dito. Kasi
Wow.
first time daw niya. Oh, look,
Ganda
oh, meron din sa kabila.
Ganda ng view.